Friends, in today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on American Express Company. My dear friends, this stock is currently on a verge of breakout due to multiple positive factors trigger on the stock simultaneously, and as a result, it gives us an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate and buy position before an upside rally get trigger. My dear friends, this stock has already trading near to an important resistance level, and that level has also been broken out, and along with that multiple positive factors which has been already materialized on the stock. With all these positive factors, we could see a massive upside rally very soon going to act on the stock, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock before a massive 6 to 7% upside rally starts in a very short span of time. My dear friends, if you'll make a closer look over here, this was the flat corrections. The stock undergone in the form of flat corrections with this downward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock was triggered with few lower lows. If you see over here, the first lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows, and the third lower lows here. And as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper end, first time these lower lows shifted to higher highs on a closing basis. And here we got a confirmation. Yeah, actually, if you'll see over here, we got a two major positive signal. The first one is the lower lows shifted to higher highs, and the second one is downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper end. And my dear friends, always remember, whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we take that as a confirmation that the stock has completed the correction. Unless and until it won't give a closing below the previous lower lows, we will go with the buyer with buy position with a stop loss keeping has a previous lower lows. And if you'll see over here, if you keep if you'll see the chart structure over here, you will be able to see a massive big parallel channel. If you'll see, there was a big parallel channel. The stock has consolidated for a longer period of time, almost and more than 2 weeks. The stock got consolidation under this range, and ultimately this range got trigger on the upper side, and this range is almost 5 to 6%, which has already been broken out from this important neckline. And now very soon you will see the witness of 6 to 7% immediate upside rally, and the ultimate target for the stock will be $330. My dear friends, you will very soon see the target with 330 on the upper side, and this is a neckline. And if you want to keep a stop loss, you can keep the stop loss within nearest lower swing. And my dear friends, I just want to update you that this neckline area will now going to act as an important support, because multiple positive factors trigger over here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper end. This was an area where we have witnessed the lower lows shifted to higher highs, and this is an area there is a positive diversion between the price action and the MACD indicators, positive hidden diversion. And this is an area where we have seen the big parallel channel got broken out. So with all these positive factors, this area will going to act as an important support, and your stop loss should be below this important support so that it won't get triggered so easily. And if you like my analysis, please give a like to my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, my dear friends. Bye bye.